Okay, US has been traditionally a major export market, but the trend has been changing for the past several years because of various reasons. China has been experiencing a lot of economic growth, and there are also a lot of geopolitical tensions between China and US, and Hong Kong government has actively been advising customers to diversify for all the good reasons. So we have been putting a lot of efforts into expanding our capacity for the China market. And through our efforts, the market has changed such that right now, for the past 15 years, the China portfolio in our book has grown by more than sixfold, while at the same time, the US portfolio is still growing, but only less than onefold. So that shows the fast growth that we have been helping our customers to navigate the market. GBA naturally is a very important part of the China market. GBA has no shortage of very large tech companies importing large volume of semiconductors and AI chips into China. And we expect that this trend will continue in the future. Policyholders can get information through different ways. First of all, it's a direct route. When they buy insurance policy from us, they'll get credit report. And those credit reports will provide a firmographic micro information of the buyers. So things like the scale, how large is the capital, the size of the business, and some financial information. In addition, we also provide macroeconomic information. We provide some export credit risk index since the beginning of 2024. We partner with Dun & Bradstreet, which is one of the largest data company in the world. By using Dun & Bradstreet's macroeconomic data and also our payment difficulty and default data, the data together we put into an index, helping exporters to understand the trend of 5 major markets which Hong Kong exporters mainly deal with in 3 different industries, namely the textile and clothing, electronics, and electrical appliances. So through this periodic index produced every half yearly, the exporters will be able to follow the trend of the payment trend of the main markets and the main industries. Apart from that, we also produce research report periodically by partnering with HKECIC in the past 3 years. 2022, we produced Greater Bay Market Potential Report after the COVID. And then last year, we produced another report titling Unleashing the Potential of the Cross-Border E-Commerce. Both reports received very high reception with more than 200,000 downloads. As outlined in the policy address, we have recommended increasing our maximum indemnity from 90% to 95%. And this is being put through motions in formal procedures and through the LegCo. And very soon we'll be able to formally put this in place. Apart from that, we have substantially raised our number of free credit checks to exporters in Hong Kong from 12 to 20. Of course, if the exporters have become our policyholders, they'll be entitled to even more free credit checks after they become our customers, depending on the size. And these free credit checks are extended to all markets, not only restricting to any particular market, helping them to explore new frontiers. And apart from that, we have also expanded our service and partnered with banks and fintech to provide financing to support e-commerce merchants to doing business on cross-border e-commerce platforms, using the cross-border e-commerce platforms data by instead of focusing on the financial information, which most of the e-commerce players are SME difficult to get finance traditional channel. And through these cross-border e-commerce, we hope to help our customers explore new markets through unconventional channel.